Are you serious about wanting to lose some weight? If so, you need 3 things if you want to be sure to succeed: fitness, nutrition, and support. And I've got a super special deal on all 3. It's called a Beachbody Challenge Pack featuring 21 Day Fix. It's everything you need in one package for people who are serious about losing weight.
I lost over 11 pounds and 6 inches with 1 round of the 21 Day Fix, and I feel amazing.
Now I lost 14 pounds and 11 inches on the 21 Day Fix, and I've never felt better.
So let's talk about what comes in your 21 Day Fix Challenge Pack. First of all, the program. 21 Day Fix is a very popular fitness and nutrition program created by health and fitness expert Autumn Calabrese. The 21 Day Fix combines a simple portion control eating plan and 30-minute workouts that anyone can do. And the 21 Day Fix also includes color-coded containers designed to help you eat the right portions of all the foods you love.
If it fits, you can eat it. There's nothing to think about. It can't get any easier than that.
Your 21 Day Fix Challenge Pack also includes a 30-day supply of Shakeology, which is a delicious and nutritious shake that's filled with superfood ingredients from all over the world and promotes healthy weight loss, reduces between meal hunger cravings, and helps provide you the healthy energy you need to push through your workouts. So, now that you have the nutrition and fitness part dialed in, all you need is the right support. And that's where your coach, plus your free premium membership to the Team Beachbody Club, comes in. It includes all the support and motivation you need to help reach your goals, including free message boards, chats, and nutrition tips. Plus, free unlimited access to Beachbody On Demand, where you can stream 21 Day Fix and hundreds of Beachbody's other fitness programs right to your computer, smartphone, or tablet, and of course, any web-enabled TV. It's so convenient. Now you can work out anytime, anywhere. So there you have it, everything you need in one complete package. And all this comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. That means you can complete the entire 21 Day Fix program, even finish every daily serving of Shakeology, and if you don't get the results you want, you get your money back. Try getting that guarantee from the gym or a smoothie bar. So if you're ready to lose weight and get healthy, just contact your coach to get the 21 Day Fix Challenge Pack while saving $70. Ask your coach how you can get started today.